Whilst most people know Mark because of his being a top lawyer and a key man in the financial sector, what most people don't know is that he's a vibes man. Mark is equally at home on the corner, equally at home in the bleachers watching Arnett Gardens or the Reggae Boys. But in addition to that, Mark is involved with several social activities in the society. He is a chief architect and fundraiser for the Sir John Golden Rehabilitation Center, which was founded by his father. He was also a director of Food for the Poor. How many men in their budget presentation would big up them wife in song in the House of Parliament? Mark did that. Comrades, this man is all round. He's multifaceted. On November 7th, I want you, comrades, to join me and go with Golden.